Picture this. The year is 2024, and artificial intelligence has taken the world by storm. But did you know you can harness this technological marvel to make money? Here's how. 1. Leverage AI for stock trading. By analyzing market trends and predicting future movements, AI can help you make smarter investment decisions. 2. Use AI for content creation. From writing articles to designing graphics, AI can automate and streamline the creative process, saving you time and effort. 3. Develop AI applications. With the right skills, you can create AI software for businesses, improving their efficiency and productivity. 4. Offer AI consulting services. Use your expertise to advise companies on how they can integrate AI into their operations to increase profitability. And 5. Rent out your AI. If you've developed a useful AI tool, consider licensing it to others for a fee. So there you have it. 5 innovative ways to make money with AI in 2024. The future is now, and it's time to seize the opportunities that AI has to offer. Remember, the sky is no longer the limit with artificial intelligence.